My name's Erica Rawiszer. I'm currently a manager over at the body shop. I originally came to Morrisville just to check it out. It was one of 3 in the country that had a 4-year automotive program. And as soon as I came over the crest from Eaton, I fell in love immediately. I think my overall experience at Morrisville really helped solidify who I became as a person. I found that a lot of jobs and a lot of interviewees and things like that are very interested in my hands-on segment, especially the fact that I got to sit behind a parts desk and deal with customers interactively, sit behind the service desk and actually write up vehicles. I was really involved in the community aspect of things, and it really helped me learn who I want to be and where I wanted to end up. I find that once I prove myself in the industry and I know what I'm talking about and I've done my time, they usually warm up very easily to me. I actually get more, depending on my age, being a manager than I do being a female in a male-dominated field. I think the best part of Morrisville is how interactive it is. The overwhelming welcomeness of Morrisville is really what made me fall in love with it.